Hi, this video tutorial is about one of our plugin, Woocommerce product drop-down field for Contact Form 7. This is an interesting plugin and add-on for Contact Form 7 that adds an extra field facility for Contact Form form. So this plugin actually works with the two other plugin as I mentioned, like the Contact Form 7 and Woocommerce. So this plugin creates a product drop down from Woocommerce, but this video tutorial is for an extra feature that we recently developed, that is showing the product variation. Let me at first show how the variation works. Like there's no variation here. Let me choose a variable product and we can see the variation here. So again I select a non-variable product and there's no variation. And there are some changes in the field settings with these changes, like we need to add an extra parameter show underscore variable to enable the variation drop down, and to show the variable we need to disable the attribute multiple. Suppose if I add the attribute multiple, let me test here. So this is the multiple selection. So technically for multiple selection we cannot show the drop down for others variation, so that's why we disabled the selection for product variation for multiple selection of the products. So let me back to the normal mode, that means single selection. So now I will test some emails, like let me fill my name. I am not choosing any product and send it. Okay, the email is sent. I am testing, and Mailtrap is an email testing platform. So there's no product actually, and this is how I configured my email tab. And this one was previously, and we added this new shortcode. So let me choose a product, and sorry, okay, so I'm seeing the product. Let me try another one, like a variable product. So I can see the variable product, and the basic shortcut for this variable product is only the variation ID, that means this one. But we can create more advanced shortcode, like that was the main shortcode for the main product, and this is a new shortcode we added for this extra feature, and it is also the same way. The extra attributes reach equal to 1 and cart equal to 0 or 1. That means the URL will be for, if cart equal to 1, the URL will be for the direct cart URL for that variation. If we put a 0, then that will be the direct product URL for that variation. So we can try, like if I click this link, it will take to my localhost. So the variation I chose was blue in color, and the license was two side. So this is directly showing here, but by default it should be like this, like as I cleared the selection. So let me change it to 1, that is, so the link will be for cart link, and save it. Now let me try another. Okay, let me select a variable product, and like black 3 site license, send it. So this is the variation ID that's coming from the shortcode we used here, the direct shortcode, and for the advanced one is here, and that's the, so that is added directly to the cart. I can try to take that. I already have others product that was added before in the cart, but the newly added is the black and 3 side. So this is working, and we need to keep in mind that to show the variation drop down we cannot use multiple. If you use multiple, then the variation will not work. And the products we have, at least if any of the product has variation, it will show the variation drop down, otherwise this will not be shown. And the extra 2 shortcode we added, this is the main shortcode, like for product this was the main shortcode, and this is the advanced shortcode we were using. So the basic shortcode is for the selected variation value, this shortcode, and if you want advanced link like this, we can use this type. And is equal to 1 or 0, this will like I'm using HTML email, that's why I used is equal to 1. If I use text email, then I have to use 0. Same way, no, sorry, not same way, but the extra feature like this, cart equal to 1 means cart URL or the variation direct URL, and thing is same. I mean what I just discussed. So let's not make it complex. So I think I explained it clearly, and in our site we updated the description, what are the values and what's their meaning, and that's it. So this is up to now. Thank you.